Stop by and take a look at the 2020 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: spray-in bed liner, power retractable running boards, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals. Your new ride is just a phone call away.